In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Focused Inbox in Outlook. Focused Inbox is designed to help you see the messages that matter most first. Outlook evaluates your email habits and separates your inbox into two tabs, Focused for important items and Other for the rest. Nothing is deleted, everything stays in your inbox, just organized so you can work through messages more efficiently. Let's start with New Outlook or Outlook on the web. When you have your mailbox open, look to the top right of the screen for the Settings gear icon and click it. This opens your Mail Settings panel. From there, choose Mail, then open the Layout section. In Layout, find the Focused Inbox area. Select the option that says Sort Messages into Focused and Other. This tells Outlook to begin separating your messages into the two tabs. When you've made that selection, click Save to apply the change. Your inbox will update, and you'll see the Focused and Other tabs at the top. It may take a moment for Outlook to learn what belongs where, and it will get smarter over time based on how you read and handle messages. Now, if you're using the classic Outlook desktop app, the process is just as quick. Open your Outlook application and look along the top ribbon for the View tab. Click View to reveal the view settings for your mailbox. In that ribbon, you'll see a button labeled Show Focused Inbox. Click it to turn it on. When it's enabled, the button will highlight. As soon as it's on, your inbox view will split into Focused and Other tabs, using the same logic to prioritize your most relevant mail. If you manage more than one email account in Outlook, you'll set this per account, so the button reflects the current mailbox you're viewing. A few quick pointers as you start using Focused Inbox. The Focus tab contains messages Outlook predicts you're likely to care about right away, such as conversations you frequently open or people you often reply to. The Other tab holds newsletters, updates, and less urgent items. You can glance at Other anytime, and everything is still searchable. If something important lands in Other, don't worry, Outlook will continue learning from your habits as you read and reply, and your sorting will improve with normal use. That's it. Thanks for watching.